Definitely had some activity today.
Yeah, all week.
Some lightning, well, I should say, focusing just on today.
Yes.
The weekend, of course, is the big issue now.
I'm going to see some scattered storms, kind of like what we've had. So if you got outdoor plans earlier, it's going to be better than later to get those done. Mowing the grass.
Oh, yeah.
Walking the dog. Got to get done for walking the dog. All those things, kids events, anything. That's what we're going to need to be doing. Got a really cool time lapse to show you. This is from this afternoon. The cumulonimbus clouds or storm clouds growing. Then we had a shelf cloud move right at the camera here, caused some gusty winds, and of course the downpours of rain that we had across the area earlier today as well, followed by just a gorgeous sunset across East Tennessee. So we kind of had it all out there for today. There's that sunset setting there on the horizon. Beautiful ending to the day. Thankfully, it's been a little bit quieter across the area. Still just a few scattered showers in some spots, but limited is what I expect overnight tonight. Still spotty weekend storms around, probably a little less coverage than today, and I'll talk about that humidity break at this time next week. Here are what's left of the showers. Blount County moving into Sevier County. My bigger concern could be this little disturbance that's trying to develop near Bowling Green. I'll get to that in a second. Here's some steadier rainfall right along 411. Looks like a lightning strike just showing up there, so just a total of 5. You can probably easily see that from Knoxville if you're looking off to the south and east, but that's just moderate rain, not severe, but it at least is moving as well. Still a moderate flooding risk, level 2 out of 4, basically Knoxville northward as we go overnight tonight. Here's one of the reasons why. We still have that flood watch in effect for southeast Kentucky. That goes till tomorrow morning. My guess is they will probably extend that again as we go through Saturday afternoon. But let's talk about where the showers are. There's the batch I just showed you from 11 o'clock, but let's go into the overnight hours, and don't like how that's developing. This has been pretty consistent showing these bands of rain moving across portions of southeast Kentucky late tonight into tomorrow morning. That could lead to some issues as well. So please just make sure you have multiple ways to get alerts if any get issued later tonight. Bigger impact again would be some heavy rainfall on that already saturated ground. What about our outlook as we go into Saturday? Greatest risk for the heavier rainfall appears to be over towards the foothills, Smokies, and into western North Carolina. So let's talk about it. Quiet start as usual. This is why I say get those outdoor plans done early, because already by lunchtime we're seeing a few develop right over the spine of the Smokies, and then I guess you know where they're going to be forming next, right? Across the plateau into Kentucky by mid-afternoon, 1 or 2 late afternoon, evening here in the valley, but notice again, not quite the coverage we saw today. And then things start to fade once we're past sunset. So similar timing to what we've seen, just probably not quite the coverage tomorrow compared to what we saw today, and kind of mixed in between is going to be the high heat and humidity as we're getting close to that 90-degree mark. Now, as I mentioned, rain opportunities will actually go up as we start the first part of next week, Monday, Tuesday. This is a front that's slowly coming out of Kentucky, moves right over the area as we go later Wednesday into Thursday. It's about a day slower than what it looked like yesterday. Looked like yesterday it would come through Wednesday morning and we'd see a decent Thursday and Friday, but because it's a little slower, that's why rain chances now are a little bit higher as we go into Wednesday. So upper 80s Saturday, Sunday, similar conditions. Both of those days a touch cooler because of increased cloud cover and increased rain chances Monday, Tuesday. But by far the best opportunity appears to be Wednesday into early Thursday. And again, it's not an October cool down, but you know what? 66 degrees in the morning here in town, meaning low 60s in outlying areas in August, not bad.